They've been applying weld overlay in there for several years now, probably about 7 or 8 years. Very expensive. I'm Dave Cole. I've been with IGS since 2021, and I'm a North American sales manager. I'll talk a little bit about one of our stories about using the HVTS offered only by IGS in lieu of using the weld overlay. They've been applying weld overlay in there for several years now, probably about 7 or 8 years. Very expensive, and by applying the HVTS, we were able to do a little over 5,000 square feet in probably a third of the time that they would have applied the weld overlay, saving them lots of money. And also, while on site, the customer was very pleased with the way IGS approached the project, very professional. Said he didn't even know they were on site. By the end of the day, he come back around. He seen everything was set up, ready to go, and every day he never heard from them. He had to go look for them just to make sure everything was good. He said he wished all of his contractors could be more like that. We got done on time, even with the delays that came up from the plant. They're very happy, and they also made the statement they want to sole source us as the sole source company for thermal spray, and that the other competitor that done some work in there previously, that they wouldn't have anyone else back but IGS.